Hey guys, it's Curtis from Harris Solar Panel Cleaning out here in sunny Southern California. We just had a huge rainstorm last night, and we're here at a client's house doing bird proofing, but I thought this would be a good example to show you that rain just does not clean your solar panels. Check this out, folks. Call us today. Let's get those panels clean and your efficiency back up. Thanks, guys.